4 amazing DIY bath makeovers that cost next to nothing. Heather's bathroom was a 1989-era builder's grade special that, although spacious, was slated for a gut renovation someday. But Heather is hardly the type to rest on her laurels. Future master bath projects include a vintage clawfoot tub she dreams of finding on Craigslist, a chandelier and possibly a bigger window. The shower curtain and faux Roman shade were additional DIY projects that Jessica claims were easy enough for a novice sewer. "I am thrilled with how it turned out," she says. "I first saw Stephanie Shore Fisher's dramatic powder room makeover on her blog, Glitter and Goat Cheese. Other than a coat of paint, this downstairs half-bath had been left untouched until Stephanie was suddenly seized with the urge to spruce her up. Paint was Stephanie's biggest bargain solution for glamorizing the lackluster space. She used Benjamin Moore's Champion Cobalt on the walls. New semi-gloss white on the vanity provides maximum contrast. She also sprayed the existing towel ring and toilet paper holder with gold metallic Rust-Oleum paint. Inexpensive replacement cabinet knobs also got the golden treatment. Stephanie and her husband built a custom shelf with a piece of red oak purchased from a lumber yard. They stained the wood a dark walnut color and added IKEA shelf bracket spray painted gold. The artwork is Stephanie's, displayed in black painted frames she bought at a craft store." On Homemade by Carmona, blogger Ursula confesses that she has expensive taste and no money. This blissfully bold DIYer put her skills to the test by revamping this walk-through bath for just $83. Everything, from the paint and hardware to the shower curtain, rug and accessories, was purchased at a discount store or secondhand shop. What she didn't snag secondhand, Ursula bought on sale or with a coupon. Says Ursula of her handiwork, "There is simply nothing more satisfying than seeing all your little projects come together at the end of a makeover. This just goes to show that a little elbow grease and some paint can go a long way." Jessica Hill, who pens the blog Mad in Crafts, says that her bathroom had good bones, but dated, builder's grade finishes. "And what more can I say about that paint color other than it had to go?" Since it was a makeover and not a renovation, Jessica left all the major features of the bathroom intact but gave it all a new look. The most dramatic change came in the form of the re-stained vanity and newly framed mirror in a matching finish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.